Oh, that's a sign from above right there. So I recorded this video, and I was about 18 minutes into it, and my phone just shut down and did not save the video. So we're gonna try it again. Try it again a little differently. So right now, so you guys are gonna see me poking the screen to brighten my face again so that we're not all white like a ghost. Bring you back up to speed here. Today was really rough on me, and it actually it's brought me down a lot, and I've done what I always do when I hit crossroads like this, and that is to put my hands together and close my eyes, bow my head, and pray to God. And what I prayed about today was that he showed me the doors that are gonna close, the doors that's gonna open, because he knows my future. He knows the path I'm gonna be on. And so I asked him to lead me to the door that would be open, or show me the door that is open that I can't see right now. Because right now, the only door that I really can see is that it's closing. It's closing on me. The door is not, it's not opening. It's terrifying. It scares me. But it shouldn't, because I have faith that the Lord is going to lead me down the road to that door that is opening at the right time. It's all about his timing, and it's going to happen. So anyhow, let's get started with today's video and why I feel this way and why I'm here. Start that intro. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance. Alright, now that we've got that intro done, I really hope you guys enjoy that intro. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think of it. That was actually my second intro I've ever made, so I'm pretty proud of it. A lot of other people have told me they enjoy it, so let me know what you think. Please drop that down in the comments below. Anyhow, so the reason that I feel this way today is because recently with COVID, schools are not schools. It's completely different. And so my youngest son, Cohen, he actually has to work from home. Well, learn from home. Do remote learning from home once a week. Not bad, right? Not bad. It's once a week. It's not 4 or 5 days a week. Whew, dodge that bullet, okay? Well, here's the thing. There's a Families First Corona Response Act, and that is supposed to help people like me in this position right now with schools closing, or they're shutting down on certain days, or sending kids home to work from there. Any of those things, they're ways for you to be eligible for this assistance, for this program. And it's available to me, and I qualify for it. But here's my problem. That is that right now it would only cover 2 hours a week that I'm missing, and you only get that for 2 weeks. And within those 2 weeks, it can cover up to 80 hours. So that's 2 40-hour work weeks. And I would throw that away for 4 hours. That just doesn't make sense. And so I'm not doing that. We're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna miss out on those 2 hours, right? So that's the logical, probably the best choice to make, right?
Well, my hours have already been cut because of childcare. I've struggled all year with childcare. One of them shut down, and the other one, I honestly, I can't afford it, and I still cannot afford it. And this gets us into another topic I really want to talk to you guys about, because I know there's people out there, you might be one of them, that are like, Trevor, why don't you wake up and smell the roses? Quit living with above your means. Quit it. Stop. That'd make life so much easier. And I'll address that in that video, because I know I have some of those, because I'm one of them myself, and it's okay. I know. With that aside, though, that means I've already lost hours because of childcare, and I leave work at 3 so I can pick my boys up from school. And this gets me into a video I already have done, which is don't chase the money. In that video, you can find out why I say don't chase the money and what it means. And it's exactly why I'm getting my kids from school at 3 o'clock right now. Because that $30 an hour that I'm making is not worth the hour of my boys' life that I am missing. No, it's actually 2 hours I'm missing. It's not worth that. So I leave early to go pick up my boys from school. And those 2 extra hours, as a single father, as a parent, any parent, shoot, my dad and stepmom, they watched that video, and they're like, wow, I never looked at it that way. And a lot of people have. So I'm glad that I'm helping you guys out. Definitely check it out. Maybe I'll put a card over on this side to that video. So I'm missing 10 hours a week already from work, right? That brings me from 40 hours down to 30. That's a huge cut in pay. That's a huge cut on your checks. That's a huge cut on your lifestyle. And it's not getting any easier. Now I'm cut 2 extra hours. So that's 12 hours a week I'm missing, right? 12 hours a week. That's almost 2 entire work days that I am missing. And I don't know what to say. I don't know how to get past that. And honestly, this is why I pray to God, because this door, I feel like this is the door that's closing on me, is my job. And it's nobody's fault but my own, and the Lord has a different path for me. And it's going to be shown soon. I know it is. I have faith that it's going to. And that's what we got to do. We have to have faith. So with the feeling of this door closing, I don't know which one's opening, but there's an option to work every other weekend when I don't have my boys and try and make up some time. And of course I have a problem with that, because that's on the weekends that I get the most done. I get my house gets cleaned on that weekend. I clean my house so deeply that you wouldn't even believe it. my cars get cleaned. There's so much stuff that I can't do during the week that I get done on these weekends. And the weekends that I have my boys, that's not an option to work, because their time, my time with them, is more valuable than any dollar amount. And I will say that over and over and over again. And I hope that maybe it clicks in your mind too, that, man, I've got a kid. I got to quit chasing that promotion. Now I'm getting in my other video. I got to quit that. You guys just got to go watch it. Don't chase money. Go watch it. And then come back and finish this one. So I'm a little torn. I'm going to lose my benefits because now I'm below 30 hours a week. So I'm going to lose benefits. That means all my insurance, my health, all that will be gone. Now, the best part is, I'm the only one on that. And right now, here's the thing. I've found a way to not go back to the doctor. I go to the chiropractor. Well, Trevor, don't you use insurance for that? Nope. Guess what? I pay my chiropractor with cash. Why? Because it's cheaper to do that than going through insurance. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me how. But when I sat down and talked to the chiropractor about my situation, he's like, all right, I'm going to help you out. Here's the deal. We're not using your insurance. Not because it's bad. Not because it's not going to help. But it's cheaper if we just go with cash. Done. There's my John Hancock. You got it right there. Like, thank you. That is such a huge relief. And so now, I don't have all the sinus stuff. I still have cough and it gets caught up in my throat a little bit. But come 10 o'clock, gone, cleared. My allergies, I don't even think they're bothering me anymore. I still sneeze a little bit, but man, it's amazing. And it just took going to the chiropractor that one time. Finding out that I've been punishing myself this entire year. There's also a video about that. Finding forgiveness. One of my storytelling Sundays. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Are my benefits really worth keeping? Or is it better to just enjoy my life? Enjoy the time that I'm given. Enjoy every single day and not look to the future. I mean, you gotta look to the future a little bit, but you don't have to live today for tomorrow. Because what if you don't wake up tomorrow? What if you're not given tomorrow? And then you're sitting there in heaven looking down and you're like, wow, I kind of regret that. I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that. And so this has become my outlet. This is my way of trying to help others see things from a different perspective. If you meet me in person, you meet me on the camera, you meet me on the YouTube, wherever, I'm continually told I'm one of the most optimistic people, which is why I've joined the Hutchinson Area Optimistic Club. I don't know why. I don't know. But what I do know is that in every situation, no matter how bad, just like this one, we have to find the good. You have to find the good in. I got a phone call. So you have to enjoy you have to find the good in all the bad, all the negativity. And right now, that's what I'm doing in my life. There's all this negativity just keeps piling on me. It just keeps piling on me. And you know what? It's gone. Because there's one thing in my life that I'm able to focus on and pulls me out away from all that negativity. And that is looking for the positivity. All the positives. You just gotta look for them. I look for them every single day. Today, what positivity did I get out of today? Well, I'll tell you what. It didn't start off very good. We woke up a little late because we overslept. So right there off the bat, we're going down, right? Well, my boys, they're so amazing. They've gotten so good at getting ready and getting up for school. We got ready in 10 minutes. Normally it takes us an hour to get ready. And I mean, they were ready. And I was like, wow. You guys are awesome. Dad, the car started, garage is open. What? All right. So those little moments of have a good day, Dad, I love you. Every day. Their schoolwork they bring home. Things they're excited to tell me from school. It's amazing. It's amazing. You got to soak that stuff in. You got to take those as your positives. And those alone will outweigh any negative. Every time. I mean, shoot, up here, let's see, this right here, yep. This just got broke today, too. Guess what? It's probably a $15, $20 part. Easily replaced. Did it upset me? You're darn right it did. It did upset me. But the first thing they said is, Dad, I'm sorry, can we fix it? I said, you know what, don't worry about it, it's okay. We can fix it. All we gotta do is I just gotta find the part, we gotta find the spring, and we can put a new one in there. It's not a big deal. And just like that, we were done with that negativity and back to the positivity. And creating some more TikTok videos. Also starting some more Instagram reels, because we love dancing, man. We just do. It's our thing. Anyhow, I'm glad I got that off my chest. It's really been weighing me down today. And it might not have shown today, but it really has weighed me down a lot today. And now I'm feeling better. I encourage you guys that if you have stuff weighing you down, just get a notepad, just start writing it down. If you want to record yourself, just talk to your camera. It's gonna be awkward. You don't have to do anything with it. You could literally just delete it. Hold on, we gotta start up the door and give a little riff. Let's see if we can hear him. Anyhow, if you guys like that video, give me a thumbs up, drop some comments, and check out my Mustang. Subscribe, click that red button. We'll catch you in the next video.